Yeah.
Just wrapped this up for my friend. I'm going to tell you guys about this process in a second in the next video. Well, next cut.
So, shit, my hair is. So I'm still out here harvesting this lemongrass. Kind of shrunk because it's the next day, but they're still coming out. So as you see here, I got different piles. All right. Oh, guys, if you guys can smell this, this is good. This is the good stuff right here. Right here, down to the center. This is where most of the lemon fragrance and taste comes from, and then they branch outwards. So what you kind of want to do is you kind of want to pull a little node from the root right here, and as you can see, I have these piles here. So set this up. You just kind of come around here. You're gonna hear a snap right there. That's the piece you want to save for eating, and then you have the rest of this. You just kind of want to clean it up, and then here, right inside of here, you're gonna see it's kind of like this rose thing. Now I'm gonna peel this one out for you guys to see. So this is what we're snapping off right at the come on, hit the focus right off the thing. And this is what's gonna grow new lemongrass next year. Toss it over to the pile and replant. So let's get a little montage rolling of me harvesting all the lemongrass I got. And so we are done. This is the compost pile. All of it's right here. Don't want to get it confused with our nice, fresh, hand-picked lemongrass. I gave a lot of it to my friend, and I kept this much, and then I have all these and another bag full to replant for next year. Wrapping it up, and it's all good. Storage, eat, tea. There's the lemongrass. With the lemongrass also as well, you can double bag them, put them in the freezer, and they store good in the freezer all winter for you guys to enjoy lemongrass for whatever uses you need. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Stay wandering.